you in a wonder world of essential Vedic mathematics. Hello friends, I am Indira Saha from Bharati Academia. I am explained about essential Vedic mathematics, sutras and subsutras. Essential Vedic mathematics these days is gaining popularity because of its speedy and accurate calculations. Calculations are an integral part of any profession today, and the ability to do it quickly and accurately definitely is an important skill that anyone would desire to have. Essential Vedic mathematics is an ancient technique consisting of 16 sutras and 16 subsutras, which simplified not only the 8 fundamental arithmetic operations but also handles algebraic concepts like simultaneous equation, simple equation, quadratic equation, factorization of cubic equation, etc. more effectively than the traditional approach. Apart from this, essential Vedic mathematics works faster in areas of trigonometry, coordinate geometry, and calculus in the same effective manners. Through this article, an attempt has been made to bring this knowledge to you in a simple and lucid language with examples. Ekadhikana purvena. That means by one more than the previous one. It is useful for squaring a number ending with 5, calculating the values of vulgar fractions whose denominators ending in 9. Nikhilam Navatsharamam Dashata. That means all from 9 and last from 10. It is useful for multiplication of numbers close to 10, 100, 1000, etc. and division by 9. Urdhva Tiragbham means vertically and crosswise. It is useful for multiplication and division of large number. Paravarta Jajayate means transpose and apply. Useful for division of numbers when the divisors is slightly greater than 10, 100, 1000, etc. Sunnam Samma Samucchaye means the summation is equal to 0. It is used in several different places where some of the identities are equal to 0. Onurupeye Shunnamannat means if one is in ratio, other one is 0. Useful for solving simultaneous linear equations, finding out the product of two numbers when both close to the same base. Sankalana Vyavakallanabhyam means by addition and subtraction. Useful for solving simultaneous equations where x and y coefficient are interchanged. Purana Puranabhyam means by completion and non-completion. It is useful for finding the roots of quadratic equations. Chalana Kalanabhyam means sequential motions. Useful for factorizing third, fourth, fifth degree expressions. Yabodunam means the deficiency. This sutra has various applications in different contexts and are often also applied along with the above mentioned sutras. Vyasti Samusti means whole as one and one as whole. This sutra has various applications in different contexts and are often also applied along with the above mentioned sutras. Sesankena Charamena means remainder by last digit. This sutra has various applications in different contexts and are often also applied along with the above mentioned sutras. Shopanta Dayamantam means ultimate and twice the penultimate. This sutra has various applications in different contexts and are often also applied along with the above mentioned sutras. Ekanvena Purvena means by one less than the previous one. This sutra is used for multiplications of number such as 9, 99, 999, etc. Gunita Samochaya. The whole product is same. This sutra has various applications in different contexts and are often also applied along with the above mentioned sutras. Gunak Samochaya means collectivity of multipliers. This sutra has various applications in different contexts and are often also applied along with the above mentioned sutras. Vedic Sutras. Sutras are corollaries or deviations of the original sutras. They generally move the sutras and apply them to special cases of calculations. Onurupayana. Parent sutra is Ekadhikana Purvana. Means proportionately. Useful for finding the product of two numbers that are close to power of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Sishayate Sesa Samanj. Parent sutra is Nikhilam Navatsharamam Dashata, meaning knowing remainder from remainder. It is a corollary of Nikhilam Navatsharamam Dashata. Adda Manta Nanna Mannate. Parent sutra is Urdhva Tiragvam. It means first by first and last by last. It is useful for factorization of quadratic equations, multiplying terms to different unit, that is feet and in. Kevala Saptakam Gunayata. Parent sutra is Paravarta Jajayate. It is useful only multiple by 7. Division based on 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857, approx 0.143. Vyasranam. Parent sutra is Sunnam Shamma Samuchaya. It means by osculation. It is perform divisibility checks of numbers. Yabodunam Tabodunam. Parent sutra is Onurupaye Shundamannat. It means whatever be the deficiency, lessen is further. Finding the cube of numbers that is close to the power of 10, such as 10, 100, 1000, etc. Yabodunam Tabadunikitya Bargana Jejayate. Parent sutra is Shankalana Babakolanabhyam. Whatever the extent of its deficiency, lessen it further to that extent and set up the square of deficiency. Finding square cubes of number close to 10, 100, 1000, etc. Antar Dasaka Epi. Parent sutra is Purna Puranabhyam. It is useful when the sum of the last digit is 10. multiplication of number whose last digit add up to 10, 100, 1000, etc. if the remaining digit are same. That is 74 into 76. Here 4 plus 6 equal to 10 and remaining digit are 7. Antaye Yarave. Its parent sutra is Chalana Kalanabhyam. It means only the last term. It is useful for solving special type of algebraic equations. Samuchaya Gunita means sum of the coefficient in the product. Lopana Sthapanabhyam. Parent sutra is Vyasti Samasti. It means by elimination and retentions. It is useful for solving second degree homogeneous equations with 3 variables. Find a HCF for algebraic equations. Nilakalam. Parent sutra is Sesankena Charamena. It means the product of the sum of coefficients. It is useful for solving problem by making simple observations. Can be applied in partial factorizations, simultaneous linear equations, simultaneous quadratic equations. Gunit Samuchaya, Samuchaya Gunita. Parent sutra is Shopanta Dayamantam. The product of the sum of the coefficient in the factor is equal to the sum of the coefficient in the product. It is useful for factorization and solving algebraic equations. Dandayaga means duplex combinations. Means dot. Sudh means dot. Dhajankam means flag digit.